Hi everyone, I'm Doug Kaufman. You know, when your customers are driving an EV pickup truck, they expect a ride that gives them confidence in all types of weather conditions, from sudden rainstorms to long highway travel. Without the right tire, they won't get the most out of their pickup trucks. That's why I recommend the iON HT from Hankook. Today I'm joined by some real-world EV pickup truck drivers. They've never driven on the iON HT before, so let's let them put them through their paces and give us their thoughts. Allison, you ready to go?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it.
So Allison, what is your major concern when it comes to driving your EV pickup truck?
You know, I tend to be really nervous in rain, so I'm really interested to see how it does in wet handling.
Great, let's go. All right, Allison, great job out there. What are your thoughts on how well it performed in wet conditions?
Honestly, it did really well. I felt really in control the whole time. I felt safe, and that is super important to me considering how much I'm driving in wet conditions. So I really appreciated feeling so safe. Yeah,
well, you hit the nail right on the head. You know, Hankook designed the tire with flared shoulder grooves for water evacuation, as well as 3D embossed sights for improved traction and braking. Whether you're braking hard or taking a corner, the tire stays connected.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Allison. Now, let's talk about range, a big concern for EV drivers who don't have time to worry about constantly charging their pickup truck. All right, Randy, ready to go?
Sure am, Doug.
Come on in. So, Randy, tell me what your concerns are with your EV pickup truck.
Biggest concern for me is I hate being away from the road, so the longer I can go on a charge, the fewer stops at the charging station.
Got it, yeah. You know, range is one of the biggest concerns customers like you have when it comes to driving their EVs. And a lot don't know the impact their tires can have on their truck's range. That's why Hankook engineered the iON HT with a roll light compound and Opti technology to cut rolling resistance. Both are designed to maximize energy efficiency and in turn providing more range. Internal testing shows those compounds boost efficiency with reduced internal tire friction through the application of LRR specific rim cushion and subtread compounds. In fact, internal testing showed that the iON HT delivered more than a 10% improvement in energy efficiency compared to competitor tires.
Wow, that's impressive, Doug.
All right, you ready to go?
Sounds good, Doug. Looking forward to it.
Let's see what we can do. We talked about weather, and we talked about range, but I'll admit it, I love EV torque. Instant acceleration is a blast, but I know it can be brutal on your tires. As a self-proclaimed speed demon, I wanted to see just how well the iON HT held up to the torque of an EV pickup truck. With the iON HT, Hankook uses round even technology to distribute road pressure evenly. That means instead of burning through the tread, the tire bites down and holds the road, meaning I can enjoy the performance of my EV pickup truck. These tires also just look great. The tire's ion-clad shoulder design isn't just for style. Those aggressive blocks are built to guard against external impacts, which is huge for EV pickup truck drivers like me. These trucks may have a heavy workload, so that extra protection means fewer worries about chips, cuts, or damage. And of course, EV pickup trucks are heavier. So that puts a lot more demand on the tires. The iON HT is built with an XL load rating to carry the extra weight of heavy battery packs and truck level cargo. What that means for me is stability and control no matter what I'm hauling. On top of everything, if something does happen, Hankook backs the iON HT with its Sure Tire plan for iON. It's a 100-day free trial and includes an 80,000-mile treadwear warranty with road hazard coverage. That 100 figure tells me Hankook isn't just talking about performance. They're standing behind it. Look, there's no question. You should recommend the iON HT to your customers. It was engineered specifically for EV pickups to handle the weight, torque, range, noise, and weather. And based on what you heard from Allison and Randy today, it delivers on all of it. I'm Doug Kaufman. Thanks for watching.